Hello everyone, this is Jason with Shy Snake Games, and today I'm going to talk about AI. In the background we're going to have some stock footage because I don't have much I can show, but there's a lot I can tell you. So first I want to talk a little bit about how AI works in SpyDNA. So one of the things we're doing is our AI system actually interacts with the characters in the same way the player does. So the actions that you give a character when you're playing are the same actions that are available to our AI system. And one other thing is our AI system uses the same perception system the player sees. So they get the same information restricted by the fog of war that you see when you're a player. So when characters are not visible on the screen to you, a AI NPC effectively deals with the same thing. If they're not aware, they're not aware. So one of the things we've been working on is improving the interface that the level designer sees for controlling how NPCs behave in game. One of the improvements we've made is when you add an NPC to the mission, we now have a field where their purpose is assigned, and we've added a lot of entries to the purpose. So you can mark them something like a soldier, or they can be a support soldier, which has some small differences in behavior. You can mark them as police, you can mark them as a thug, and each of those will slightly bias the way the AI behaves in game. So we're trying to give, for instance, soldiers will be more brave because of their training. Thugs will be more likely to break and run away or hide from battle. Civilians obviously should do that. And the idea is that we want to give unique personalities to the different types of NPCs. And we want their personas to actually mimic the roles they're playing in the mission. One of the ways that the mission designer interacts with the NPCs in our game is the assignment of tasks to the NPCs. So a task can be something like go to this location, patrol this area, or use this object, talk to this person. It's basically a list of things that the NPC can do, and based on their persona, they'll have some variation in how they carry that out, and also based on their current awareness of their surroundings. So each AI can be in 3 states. They can be calm, suspicious, or in combat. And so obviously someone that is calm, they're going to be moving slower, they're going to be relaxed. Once they enter suspicious, they're probably going to move more rapidly. And someone like a civilian may decide to flee the area if it seems like it might be getting dangerous. So the next thing we're going to be working on is teaching the AI to make use of cover points. So if you noticed in some of our previous videos, they didn't use cover effectively. So that is our next major task to deal with on AI. And we're hoping to have that done in the not too distant future. And once that's complete, the AI should be in good enough shape that it'll be ready for shipping our demo. And it's one of the remaining 3 major things for us to complete to get the demo ready. So our other major milestone we recently hit is our mission building toolkit is largely finished. So this is great news because it is allowing our mission development to proceed at full speed finally. So as a result of that, we're actually actively testing the 3 missions that are supposed to be part of the demo, and we're making rapid progress on the other missions that'll be in early access. So most of our mission development is done entirely outside of Unreal. We do this in a standalone tool, which is our mission editor. And in that tool, that's where you configure things like the terrain, the NPCs, the mission objectives, and everything else that will go into the mission. Now, one of the things that we've done a while back, what we haven't talked much about, is we've done a lot of work to make scriptable events available from that editor. So those are written in Lua for those interested, and you can do a lot of commands. You can give commands to the AI, you can assign tasks to the AI, You can spawn items, destroy things, and that can all be done from the editor. And that editor just writes out an XML file. So it's very easy to integrate with the rest of the game. So we've been thinking about modding as we go, and we've been trying to make things relatively straightforward, not creating any artificial limitations for that as we've been doing our development. And with that, I think I'll wrap up. We're working on the newsletter. I'll have another article for that. And thanks for listening. Please look for us at spydna.com or shysnake.com. Thanks. Bye.